Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a researcher or student, you have probably spent hours struggling to design the perfect graphical abstract for your scientific article, or you need a clean scientific figure but had no idea where to begin. So don't worry, in this video, today we will cover it and we will learn how to create a scientific figure or graphical abstract in very easy way. So if you are a researcher, student or any science communicator, you know that presenting your research visually can make a huge impact. So today we are going to discuss top 5 softwares for creating stunning scientific illustration in graphical abstract. These tools are designed to help you bring your research to life, whether you are working on cell biology, you are working on plant sciences, you are working on animal sciences, or you are working on chemistry related schematic reaction, or any educational graphics. So this video will help you, and it will show you that how to create these graphical abstract or these images by using these top 5 softwares. In this video, it will not only showcase the best software available, but I will also give you detailed insight, comparison and expert tip to help you choose the perfect tool for your projects. So let's get started. So the first one is BioRender. How you can access to BioRender? You can write www.biorender.com. You can go to this website, and BioRender is one of the most widely used tool in the scientific community. What set BioRender apart from other tools? Because it is easy to use, and it's also have scientific accuracy. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced researcher, BioRender makes creating high quality illustration quick and easy. Now, let's take a deeper look at how BioRender works. The platform feature a drag and drop system. You can see here that how to drag and drop icons, different icons, and how to make how to generate figure. Uh, it has more than 40,000 pre-made icons and templates, from molecular structure to anatomical diagrams. You will find icons for almost every area of science. So let's go through an example. First of all, you have to sign in. Here sign up for free, and then when you sign in to BioRender, you will look this type of interface. Here what you will do, that you will create a new illustration. So when you create a new illustration, then it depend on your area, it depend on your specialty, that what do you want to create here. So for example, if I am from plant biology or from microbiology, so how I can make it? So for example, you can see here on this left side that there are many options like icons, AI, also different templates, brushes, graphs. Like these are already available in this one. So you can, for example, these are graphs available. You can make changes in this one, and there are different types of brushes and different types of icons. So you can choose according to your own subject and your own topic. So for example, I want to create a figure related to plants. So I will write plant. So when I write plants here, So you can see that I can get different plants type, and you can specify it, but I will make it easy for you. For example, you can choose Arabidopsis, you can choose rice plant, you can choose wheat plant, different plants. For example, if I want to create this one, I think it is rice. So how you will, so you will just click it. Okay, when you click it, so it will be here. You can change the size here, and you can also change the color. For example, if you need not in a green color, so you can change the color from here. So if you click here, so it will be like this. Okay, so you can change the color. For example, I want to start from this plant, so I will keep it here. Now I need soil. For example, I want to show that this plant and the soil. So you can go back here. You can write soil here. Okay, so I will make it. I will zoom in. So when like different styles samples, so for example, I will select this one. So I will click this, and here you can see that I will put here. Okay. Okay. So now you want, so I will cut here, and I will again paste, so it will look like this. Because this plant don't have roots, so that's why we can put like this. For example, now for example, you are we need some root structure, so you can also keep here the root structure like this. Okay, it is very easy, you can get it. For example, you want to show some microbial community microbes here with the root structure. So these are bacteria, so you can just click it. Okay, or you can drag it, so it will be here. You can decrease the size of this, and you can put it here. Okay, like show microbes in the soil. For example, if you want to use some arrows, like because this is a graphical abstract, so there are different type of arrows, different with different colors, with different styles. You can pick anyone. So for example, I want to pick this one, so I will get it here. So then you can rotate it according to your own choice. Okay, when you keep it here, so then you can also make changes in the color. You can change the color. For example, you want something else here, you want to create, because this is, it depends on, as I mentioned before, this is it's about your own thought, your own thinking, and it's about your own hypothesis, that what do you want to show here. So for example, if I want to show here some chemical. Okay, so there are different chemical. For example, chemical like Na, chloride, anything. For example, you need some specific molecular structure. So you can just click it here, and it will be here in your page. So you keep it here. You can change colors, you can change everything very easily. For example, now again I want to use, you can just copy and paste this arrow, and you can make it like this. Okay, for example, you want to show some insect here, that I want to show some insect, the study is related to insect. So you can also click here, and you can keep it here, the insect. Okay, you can rotate it very easily. So by this way you can create graphical abstract. Okay, now when you think this is my graphical abstract is complete now. So how to export this figure? So you can come here to this, and you can export. You can make any name. Okay, or just keep. Then you will get this file in different formats like PNG, JPG, also in PowerPoints and PDF. So I will select PNG. Then you need it with transparent background or with color background. You can also select here. You can also change the dimension here. You can also change the resolution here. But one thing you should remember that this figure or this BioRender, it is not free software. You can make figure, you can make illustration, you can make graphical abstract in this BioRender, but it is not totally free. Like when because when you are using free version, so then there are some certain limitation. For example, you cannot save figure with high resolution, and maybe you will get some watermark on your figure. So this is the one of the, you can say, the drawback in this BioRender. Otherwise, you can create stunning image in just few minutes. Okay, so then you can just publication permission, and then you can export your figure. So then it will be easy. In a few minutes you can create a graphical abstract or any type of figure related to your scientific article. Okay, so now I create this, and then now I export this figure, and you can see here now it is in PNG format in a very easy way. But as I mentioned before, that the BioRender, if you want to learn more about the BioRender, there are many tutorial available on the BioRender website. So from there you can learn how to use the advanced feature such as customizing color and exporting high resolution files for publication. So this was about BioRender, and as I mentioned before, you can export in different formats. Okay, but the problem is it will cost you, but you can use a free version as well. If you are a student and you cannot pay, so you can make free account, but there will be certain limitation in that one because of the because then you cannot export your figure in high quality, but you can also export in 300 dpi, I think, which is fair enough, and you can save your figure in high quality as compared to other softwares. Okay, the second one I want to discuss here, it is about NIH BioArt. Okay, the second one is NIH BioArt. So how we can access to this library, or this you can just you can write NIH BioArt. So when you open this, okay, now another great feature of this NIH BioArt, okay, this is totally free. Okay, this is totally free, and this database or this software or this collection developed by National Institute of Health, who sits this apart from other software, because it has also the ability interactive 3D capabilities. Unlike other tool, because some of the tool that they don't have these doesn't have these 3D capabilities, but this NIH BioArt, you can make 3D illustration or 3D figures, and here you will also find icons. You will also find different shapes, different things according to different scientific fields. So let's discuss about this BioArt. So you can see that what is the difference between BioArt and BioRender, because BioRender will provide you interactive interface, and you can drag and drop icons, and you can create figure in a window inside the BioRender. But here it is different. For example, if you are working on some protein structure or molecular model, so it will give you the opportunity, it will provide you all the related stuff, and you can zoom it, you can rotate it with clarity. You can see here that I will use, for example, I need equipment. For example, there are different sections: viruses, anatomy, cell and organelles, animal, protein, equipment, people, like different plants. So I will, for example, I need this one for a graphical abstract, so I will click this equipment. So now you can see here, you can find different type of equipment here. If you want to use any equipment in your study, so for example, I want to use this flask, so I will click here. So you can see here, when you click here, so it will show you also that different color available there. So you can choose according to your own choice. If you want to choose another equipment, for example, I will select this pin drop tube. So pin drop tube, you can also, and so now how you will use it, so you can download it, and then you can use it in any, like PowerPoint and any, so, but you will get a pre-made icons for your graphical abstract for your figure. So you can also download it in different formats, like EPS format, SVG format, PNG format. You will click it here, okay, and then you can download it. So when you click it, you will download, and you will get a clear pin drop tube. So you can use it in your own graphical abstract by using PowerPoint, by using Adobe Illustrator, but because it will not provide you a graphical interface where you can combine these figures. So definitely you will use another software like PowerPoint and other Adobe Illustrator, or you can also combine it in Microsoft Word according to your own will and according to your experience. Okay. So this is and the important, and you can say the best thing in this, it is available free, and which is you can say a major plus for this one. You just start this to search icons and figure according to your own project. Okay, so this was the second one. The second one was BioArt, developed by National Institute of Health. Okay, now we will go to the third one. The third one is bio icons. Okay, bio icons, how we can you can access to it. So the same, you will click, you will write bio icons in your Google, and then you can go here. Okay, now this one is also very a good like you can say, it has a good and a great library for different icons, different shapes, and you can say that it is not a full-fledged illustration software like BioRender, but it's one of the best resource for icon. If you need some icons, if you need some figures, you want to use some structure, you want to use in your own figures, so it will enhance the diagram with scientific accurate symbols. And BioIcons is the tool that you want to learn, you want to check out. It is an open source collection. I think it's up for almost more than 1,000 icons for molecular biology, genetics, and ecology, and some other field like chemistry. So how to use BioIcons? Well, it is as simple as browsing through their library, downloading the icons as you need, and adding them to your design like we did in BioArt. So here you will select your choice icons, and then you can download it, and then you can add those icons or those graphs to your own design by using any other software like Microsoft PowerPoint, Adobe Illustrator, any software you can combine it. Like if you are working in a genetic diagram, so it will you will get many things, many icons from here. You can see here there are different categories like machine learning, amino acid, animals, blood immunology, cell culture, cell line, cell types, chemistry, so bioinformatics. So here, for example, we will take one you can say genomics. If we go to genomics, so we will click, so you will get these are genomics figure icons, and if we click plants and algae, so you can get here different plants icons. For example, I want to use this one, this Arabidopsis. So I will click here, so it will download this Arabidopsis image very easily and the best quality. Okay, so for example, if you want some animal, so you can see here there are different animal. You can download it, and you can use in your own design and your own abstract by using other nucleic acid. You can see here nucleic acid, microbiology. Okay, this is about microbiology, and you can see here microbiology, lab apparatus, like you can see here different lab apparatus if you want to make a sketch. And for example, amino acids, so you can get here that, for example, I want this one, okay, arginine. So I will click here, so it will get a clear SVG image, and then you can use in any other software. Okay, so the third one was this bio icons. The fourth one we will discuss here. Uh, uh, you can say that Sidra. Okay, the fourth one. So I will draw here as Sidra, and then when I enter, so you can see this one. It is also the same as we discussed in bioart and bio icons. But if you are unable to find something according to your need in bioart and bio icons, you can use Sidra for this for graphical illustration. And the same like you can say the same technique, the same method you can use here. You can download different icons according to your own choice. You can also here you can see here that vector only. So when you click when you turn on this vector only, then you will get only vector image. Okay, which are good, and if you want to use an Adobe Illustrator. But if you want also, you can see here you can also search. For example, I want to search the plant, so it is not there, but you can see here there are many, like DNA. If you need any DNA structure, you can see here. Okay, DNA structure, if you want to download, so then you can here in SVG format and this one, and you can download it here. So now this is the downloaded image. So you can use it easily in your scientific publication, like human heart. Here you can see here one, this is page 1, this is then you can go to page 2. Okay, so there are thousands of icons. For example, page 6 here you can see different things. Okay, and you can also search here, for example, animals. Okay, like this, but it will give you search according to the this name. If something because we don't know the name, for example, if we like computer, so we cannot find it, like tubes. For example, if you need like this is apple. You can see here this mouse. This is, now you can see the soil, but it is in Chinese language, so you will not be able to search it by using the keyword there. So I think you should search it one by one, and you can do by any other way. So then you can also download this image, like it show the soil and some plants. Okay, so you can download these icons and these illustration very easily from this Sidra as well. The Sidra unique feature, it is because mostly it is a mathematical precision. It has a mathematical precision because if you are working with some data points, equation or chemical reaction, then this is the best one, Sidra. Then you can learn. You can use it. For example, you can see here now the whole uh, like a graphical abstract here, so you can also download here, and then you can make changes according to your own will. Okay. Now the fifth one, the last one, uh, is open science art. Okay, so we will do the same. We will put here the name, and then you can see here the open science art. Okay, so it will also give you a variety of icons and different types of illustration and different categories. So it is also an open source tools, perfect for those who want high quality visual but don't want to spend a lot of time. Open source is designed for simplicity, and it is a great choice for student and researcher just starting out in scientific illustration. In here you can see that the real strength of science art is flexibility. It does not have any it does not have many advanced features like biorender and Sidra, but it is perfect for basic illustration. If you want some basic diagram and basic abstract, I think this is the best one. You can use it, and you can download these different beautiful and stunning icons from here, and then you can own and you can use in your own project and your own software like other software. So here you can see here the library. It has also made a lot of you can say that icons. You can see, you can check, you can change the page number. You can also check by categories. If you click here, the categories, there are different categories. For example, I need animal. So when you click animal, so then you will find all the stuff related to animals. And then, for example, I want some people, about people. So you can see here different people, and here also you can see equipment. Okay, so these are the categories. You can choose by categories. You can also choose by subject: biology, chemistry, and material science. So if I click biology, so then I can see here all the stuff related to biology. So if you want to download anyone, for example, I want to download this illustration or this illustration, you can do it easily. For example, this capillaries. So I will click here, and then you can download it from here. Okay, so it is a clear image, and you can download it very easily. Now you can use this in your own software, PowerPoint and Microsoft PowerPoint and Adobe Illustrator, because whenever you want to generate this by yourself in Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop or Corel Draw or any other software, so it will take hours, and you cannot for the beginner, for the designer, for the specialist, it is okay, but for a common student and for a researcher, it is too difficult to generate such figure by yourself. So it will give you the opportunity, and it will provide you like a huge libraries of these icons, these illustration that you can use by yourself, and in just few minutes you can create graphical abstract, other figures in your review article and your scientific article, a research article. So this was our detailed review of the top 5 software for scientific illustration and graphical abstract. So what we discuss here: biorender for high quality, easy to create scientific illustration; then NIH BioArt for interactive 3D model in biomedical research; and the third one was BioIcons for accurate, it is open source icons to enhance your diagram. The fourth one was Sidra for precise graph, chart, and data visualization, and the fifth one was Open Science Art. So it is also free flexible platform to create basic visual. So each of these tool has its strength. So whatever you need, simple icons or advanced 3D molecular models, you will find something that suit your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insight into scientific tools and tips. But if you want to more detailed video on biorender or any one of these tools, you can comment, and then we will make a detailed video about that, how to use their software. Because in this video we only mention that these top five software you can use for your scientific illustration and graphical abstract. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you.